Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing everything you need to know about indoor plants and how to incorporate them into your home. Indoor plants have become increasingly popular in recent years, not only because of their aesthetic appeal, but also for the numerous benefits they provide. In this video, we will be exploring the different types of indoor plants that are available in India, their benefits, where to get them, and how to care for them. Section 1. Understanding indoor plants. Indoor plants are a great way to add a touch of nature to your home and can improve the overall ambience of any living space. They are also known to purify the air, reduce stress and improve mood, increase humidity levels, and even improve sleep. Indoor plants come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors and can be grown in a range of environments, including low light, and high humidity. Section 2. Available indoor plants in India. In India, there is a wide range of indoor plants that are well suited to the tropical climate. Some popular choices include spider plant, Chlorophyllum comosum peace lily, Spathiphyllum pothos, Epidendrum aureum snake plant, Sansevieria trichoshata aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica Chinese evergreen, Agrianema lucky bamboo, Trichina sangeriana golden pothos, Skindaxus orescisi plant, Ramioculcus samifolia. Benefits of indoor plants. The benefits of indoor plants are numerous, including improved air quality. Indoor plants help to purify the air by removing toxins and releasing oxygen. Increased humidity. Indoor plants help to increase the humidity levels in your home, which can be especially beneficial during the dry winter months. Improved mood and reduce stress. Studies have shown that having indoor plants in your home can reduce stress and improve mood. Better sleep. Indoor plants have been shown to improve sleep quality by creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere in your home. Section 4. Where to get indoor plants in India. There are several places where you can get indoor plants in India, including nurseries and garden centers. These are great places to start if you are looking for a wide variety of indoor plants. Online plant shops. There are many online plant shops in India that offer a wide range of indoor plants, delivered right to your doorstep. Local markets. If you are looking for more unique or hard to find indoor plants, you can try visiting your local markets. Home and garden expos. If you are looking to buy indoor plants in bulk, home and garden expos are a great place to find what you are looking for. Section 5. How to care for indoor plants. Caring for indoor plants is not difficult, but it does require a little bit of effort and attention. Some tips for caring for indoor plants include light. Most indoor plants require bright, indirect light to thrive. Avoid placing your plants in direct sunlight as this can cause them to wilt and become damaged. Water. The frequency of watering your indoor plants will depend on the specific species, but as a general rule, it is better to underwater than overwater. Before watering your plants, check the soil moisture level by inserting your finger into the soil. If the soil is dry, it is time to water. If the soil is still moist, wait a few more days before checking again. Soil. Choose a well-draining soil for your indoor plants to avoid water logging, which can lead to root rot. Temperature. Most indoor plants prefer temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plants near air conditioning or heating vents, as this can cause them to dry out or become too hot. Humidity. Some indoor plants, such as peace lilies and ferns, prefer higher humidity levels. You can increase the humidity around your plants by misting them regularly or by placing a tray of water near them. Fertilizer. Indoor plants typically need to be fertilized every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer and follow the package instructions for the appropriate amount to use. In conclusion, indoor plants are a wonderful addition to any home and can bring many benefits, including improved air quality, increased humidity, improved mood and reduced stress, and better sleep. With a little bit of care and attention, indoor plants can thrive in your home and provide you with years of enjoyment. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of indoor plants and how to incorporate them into your home. Thank you for watching and happy planting.